Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video, and in today's video we will learn world of starter motor. If you have ever wondered how your machine, vehicle or car starts with just turn of a key, so this video is for you. I will break down key parts of starter motor and explain how they work and why they are so important. So let's get started. The first I let you know what is a starter motor. It is an electric motor that crank your engine to get it running. When you turn the key or push the start button, it spins the engine's flywheel, which start the combustion process. Without it, your machine, car or vehicle wouldn't start. It is a simple starter motor. This is the typical starter motor. It may look simple on the outside, but inside it is a complex piece of engineering. Let's break it down and look at its main components. So here you can see our starter motor consists of several key parts. So we go through them one by one. The first one is an electric motor. Electric motor is heart of the starter motor. It is powered by your machine battery and generates the rotational force to crank the engines. You can find inside a coil, magnets and armature, and they work together to produce the motion. Next one is a solenoid. Solenoid is like the brain of the starter motor. It has two jobs. Number one, it acts as a switch. It connecting the batteries with the starter motor when you turn the key. Second one, it pushes the pinion gear forward to engage with the engine's flywheel. Third one is the pinion gear. It is a small but very important part of the starter motor. When solenoid activate, pinion gear move forward and mesh with the teeth on the engine's flywheels. It transfers the rotational force of starter motor to engine. Fourth one is a Bendix drive. Not all, but some starter motors use the Bendix drive. The mechanism allows the pinion gear engage with the engine's flywheel when starter motor is running. Once engine starts, Bendix drive disengage the pinion gear to prevent damage. Next is a housing. Housing is the outer shell, holds everything together. It is made of durable metal to protect the internal component from the heat, dirt and vibrations. Last and sixth one is the brushes and commutator. Inside the electric motor, you will find brushes and commutator. Brushes conduct the electricity to armature, while commutator ensures the current flow in right direction to keep the motor spinning. So viewers, now I gave you overview how all parts work together. Here are 4 steps. In the first step, when you turn the key, the battery give the power, send the power to the solenoid. Number 2, in step 2, When solenoid is activated, solenoid connect the battery to the electric motor. Secondly, it push the forward pinion gear. Number 3, the pinion gear when engages with the flywheel and electric motor is spinning, so it crank the engine to start. And at fourth step and last, once the engine starts, solenoid retract the pinion gear and stop the starter motor. So in this way, all the parts work together, and that everything you need to know about the parts of the starter motor. If you found this video is helpful, give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching. See you next video.